Hi, I'm Sylvia from NNC Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mug rug. I've printed out the pattern, and this is one I've made already. Got my hoop ready. It's for the 5x7 hoop, and I'm using the magnetic hoop, but you can use any 5x7 hoop. And I've cut the wadding to the exact size. It's 5 inches by 7 inches. And some fabric for the front and some for the back, and obviously the stabilizer. So let's start. I've hooked my stabilizer, and now we're gonna stitch out the first color, and that is gonna be the outline. I've stitched out the color. I don't know if you can see it. It's white. And what we're going to do now is pick up your piece of wadding that you've cut to 5 by 7 inches. Just put a little bit of gunnel spray on it. And we're going to insert that right within the line. And then we're going to put the fabric over it that we're going to use for the front. And we're going to tape the 4 corners. So it's nice and snug. Now I'm going to stitch out color 2, and that's going to go right around the little rectangle here. And the color I would use is the color of your fabric. And obviously I'm going to use white here, but if you've got red fabric, I would use red or whatever color you're using. It's stitched the outline, so that's going to be the size of the mug rug. And now we're going to start stitching the decorative border. You can either use one color for the whole thing, or in this one I'm going to use 3 different color blues. It's just finishing the outline now. And now we are going to go on to the next color, which is going to do the hearts. So that's the first heart, and it's just going to work its way right around and do all the other ones. It's done all the hearts, and now it's going to do the quilting in the middle. And again, I would use a similar color to the fabric, but it's up to you. You can use whatever color complements your fabric. It's finished doing all the quilt stitches, and now we're gonna put some writing in there. And it's at this stage you can put whatever you want to put there. You can put an applique on there, or you can do your own little quotations. But this is what I've chosen for this one. Right, the machine's finished doing all the lettering, and now the only thing left to do is put the backing on. So make sure it covers it neatly. I can put it like that. That's a nice thing about a magnetic hoop. I'll tape it a bit here. So make sure when you put the fabric down, you put the right side facing down. Now we're going to stitch out the last color. This is going to go all the way around and leave an opening here. We stitch right around and leaving an opening here. So now I'm just going to remove it from the hoop. Remove the stabilizing. And now we're going to cut all the way around here. You can actually use the rotary cutter, leave about 1/4 of an inch and leave a bit more here, and I'll show you what it's going to look like. I've cut all the way around and left a little bit extra here. This is where the opening is, and I want you to trim all 4 corners so you get a nice neat corner when you turn it inside out. And I'm going to turn it. I've turned it inside out or right side in, whichever way you look at it. And as you can see, there is a stitch line here, and what we're going to do is we're going to neatly fold it here, and then we're going to slip stitch it closed and then press it, and it'll all be done. Here we are, all finished, and these make lovely little quick presents. They only take about ½ an hour to make, if that. And also it's very good to use up all your little scraps of fabric. So I'm looking forward to seeing all your creations of this, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.